Are you looking for the best natural gas stove kitchen? In this video we will look at some of the best natural gas stove kitchen on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Natural gas stove kitchen double burner. The electrical appliances we sell are 220 volts voltage. If the voltage in your country is 110 volts and there is no transformer at home, please pay attention to the purchase. Countries with 110 volts voltage are the United States, Canada, Japan, Mexico. The product price does not include taxes. Taxes are collected by the customs of your country. Since the import taxes in each country are different, you need to pay the taxes yourself. Brazil and some EU countries will impose different taxes based on the package size and product value. If the package is returned due to the buyer's failure to pay taxes, we will not refund the full amount to the buyer, and we will deduct the shipping cost from China to the buyer's country. Number 2. Furious Fire Gas Stove Single Stove. In order to have a better cooking experience, it integrates double layer firepower, and the outer layer is heated violently to completely cover the bottom of the pot and heat up quickly. Cooking at high temperatures makes ingredients more delicious. Precise temperature control. The natural gas stove is equipped with a temperature control device, which can adjust the firepower according to the needs, precisely control the cooking temperature, and ensure the accuracy and taste of food cooking. Number 3. Hot Sale Fashion Attractive Design Recessed Stove. Precision cooking with versatile burners. Empava's recessed gas cooktop features 4 different burner sizes, including an 18,000 BTU triple ring burner, center, 2 12,000 BTU rapid burners, top left and right, a 9,500 BTU semi-rapid burner, lower left, and a 6,000 BTU auxiliary burner, lower right. These burners deliver even heat distribution, allowing you to simmer, boil, stir-fry, steam, melt, or caramelize with precision and ease. Number 4. Gas Stove Desktop Household New Single Stove. Turn the fire inside and outside, the flame spreads outward, the high fire wraps the pot, and the heat is even. 3-dimensional full air intake design. Powerful oxygen supplement, efficient combustion, energy saving and gas saving. 6 layers of protection, more consideration for safety. Removable, easy to clean, cooking to a new level. Number 5. Embedded Gas Cooktop Double Stove Desktop Gas Burner. Save time. Equipped with 2 independently adjustable burners, you can not only enjoy the cooking experience, but also finish cooking quickly. Simultaneously stewing, frying, roasting, steaming, boiling, melting or caramelizing and other different needs. Adjustable flame. The burners are equipped with 2 separate knobs and pressure regulating valves to control each specific flame to meet your precise needs. Easily and precisely adjust the flame power of each burner to get what you want. The exact temperature. The fire ranges from simmer to boiling.